How to fix WhatsApp messages not coming. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's tutorial video, I'll tell you guys what to do if WhatsApp messages are not coming. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now there can be many reasons to why you're not receiving any messages on your WhatsApp. First can be your network problem. So make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi and make sure that the internet connection that you're on is strong and stable. So check for your Wi-Fi connection. You can change your connection. You can use your mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. So make sure that network's not the issue here. After that, you can head over to your settings, and on your settings, scroll down. Then head over to general. After you're on general, scroll down again and there you'll find an option called background app refresh. Head over there and scroll down until you find WhatsApp. So let's search for WhatsApp, and after you find WhatsApp, all you then have to do is make sure that you've toggled the button on for WhatsApp here. So make sure that you've toggled the button on for background app refresh on WhatsApp. After you've done that, make sure that notification is not an issue. So head over to notification and then search for WhatsApp again. So scroll down all the way till you find WhatsApp. There we go. And make sure that the notification for WhatsApp is turned on. After that, if your problem is still not fixed and you're not receiving messages on your WhatsApp, what you do is you will need to clear out your cache memory. For that, open up your settings, scroll down. There you'll find general. Head over there. There you will find an option called iPhone storage. Head over there. And after you're there, scroll down till you find WhatsApp. After you find WhatsApp, tap on it and tap on offload app. Then offload your app and reinstall it after the upload completes, and you're good to go. And that should fix the issue. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.